Are you planning to integrate digital technologies and tools into your healthcare business? Are you looking to strategize to strengthen healthcare delivery, patient outcomes, and operational efficiency? SlideTeam brings you a content-ready and custom-made digital transformation in healthcare PowerPoint presentation to deliver more personalized and precise care. According to a report, the digital health market will grow at over 17% between 2021 and 2027. The staggering pace highlights the increasing importance and adoption of digital transformation in healthcare. Use this pre-designed digital transformation in healthcare PowerPoint presentation for better care coordination and improved outcomes. The integration of digital technologies into healthcare streamlines processes, offers continuous patient engagement, increases efficiency, improves access, increases staff productivity, and more. This actionable PowerPoint template will guide you on introducing technology into critical processes of your healthcare business model with ease. To begin with, evaluate your current processes and procedures to analyze gaps and loopholes. Next, conduct a needs assessment to prioritize every department's wish list within a budget. The third step in digital transformation in healthcare is to work with the design team to build out a technology and process roadmap. With all this in place, careful execution of the project is next, in which you ensure that all KPIs are met. The last step in digital transformation of healthcare is to provide ongoing holistic services to patients. Download this ready-to-use digital transformation in healthcare PPT presentation and enhance healthcare experience for all stakeholders. It is important for healthcare providers to embrace digital transformation to stay competitive and offer the best possible care for their patients. Statistics prove the significant impact that digital transformation is having on the healthcare industry, with 250 new apps being added every day to the digital universe. Don't miss out, commit to digital healthcare now.